The Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal is in Dadri, where a 52-year-old man was lynched for allegedly storing beef in his house. Delhi Chief Minister has, in fact, not been allowed to enter the village. He has been advised to stay in a guest house. The Delhi Chief Minister tweeted about the incident. "We are stopped by police and administration. Mahesh Sharma and Owaisi not stopped yesterday. Then why me? I'm the most peace-loving. Want to just meet Mohammad Ikhlaq's family."
क्यों रोक रहे हैं? नहीं, हमने बार बार कह रहे हैं, हमें भी नहीं मालूम क्यों रोका गया है। हमको खाली इतना बोला गया है कि भाई हमारे पास आदेश ये है कि आपको एनटीपीसी गेस्ट हाउस में ले जाया जाए। तो हम लोग एनटीपीसी गेस्ट हाउस में आए हुए हैं। अरविंद जी भी यहाँ अंदर बैठे हुए हैं और शायद ये कहा जा रहा है कि कुछ वरिष्ठ अधिकारी यहाँ आएंगे, तो वरिष्ठ अधिकारियों का इंतजार करें, उसके बाद देखते हैं क्या।
Tanima Biswas, who is in Dadri, Uttar Pradesh, now joins us live from there. Tanima, many developments in Dadri since the morning. Arvind Kejriwal has been advised to stay at a guest house and not enter the village. But why is the media being stopped from entering the area?
Right, Divya. In fact, couple of quick points. Yes, the Chief Minister of Delhi came over here. He's been stopped from entering. He's at a guest house. We are hoping that the family members of Ikhlaq might be able to come over here, visit him, because he's come all the way to see them. Whether that will happen or not, that's not sure yet. But more importantly, Divya, what we have seen through the entire day is there seems to be a concerted effort to keep the media out. Whether or not that's just being done by the villagers or they are being in a way controlled by some other group which is doing this, that's not, again, clear yet. But what we have experienced is right from the morning, we have been coming to this village for the past few days, never been stopped. But today there was an angry mob which was actually driving out the media. The vans were being asked to move out, otherwise they were threatened that stones will be pelted at them. Women journalists were roughed up, were pushed around by, again, an angry mob of villagers, mostly consisting of women. The police on this entire, when all this was happening, while the SSP of the area was present in the villages as well, were just standing by and letting all this happen. There weren't that many women policemen around, only 2 of them who actually escorted us to the car and made sure that we leave. But besides that, there weren't enough policemen, there wasn't enough force to actually control this mob, which was in a way somewhat manhandling the media as well and also throwing stones at them. So why this has happened today, that's not clear yet. Whether this has got something to do with the Delhi Chief Minister's visit, which was scheduled today, which was publicized since last evening, that's also something which we are waiting for answers at the moment. We haven't yet got any answers for that. The police, on the other hand, over here are saying that they haven't really stopped anyone, but they have advised the Chief Minister to stay over here for his own safety, since the villagers been angry, since everybody who's an outside, including the media, has been kept out through the whole day. But whether this has all been in a way pre-planned to keep the Delhi Chief Minister out, that's something to think about as well. Divya?
Also, Tanima, before we let you go very quickly, has there been any word on the accused? There were hundreds of them who had taken part in this murder. What is the update? Who has been caught? Any arrests made after yesterday?
Not much of development in that respect, Divya. There were 7 people who have been arrested so far. There were around 10 of them who had been named in the FIR. So 7 named accused have been arrested. 3 of them are still on the run, and one of them, who's one of the main accused, Vishal, is apparently related to the village chief as well, Sanjay Rana. So that's something, again, which is a bit, which could actually be a problem for Mr. Rana as well, because now he's been identified that he's related to the accused. Whether or not he's shielding the accused in some way or the other, because he's been missing right from the first day, from Monday night itself. The police are still looking for him, but he's not been arrested yet, not been caught yet. So only 7 people arrested so far. Yes, there were hundreds of people who had come in that mob and gone inside Mohammad Ikhlaq's house and lynched him and injured his...
मंत्री जी की सुरक्षा के लिए हम लोग प्रतिबद्ध हैं और उनको पर्याप्त और प्रॉपर जो उनके प्रोटोकॉल में वो सुरक्षा देकर के उनको यहाँ पर रोका गया है। जैसे स्थिति सामान्य होगी, किसी भी निर्णय पर एसडीएम साहब, एसएसपी साहब उनको ब्रीफ करके आगे की कार्रवाई
है कि मुलाकात हो पाएगी या नहीं हो पाएगी, इस पर संशय के बाद अभी
जो है वो इस पे उनको जो असंतुष्ट लोग हैं उनसे मिल करके डीएम साहब, एसएसपी साहब इसको कार्रवाई को करा रहे हैं। अगर ये सुनिश्चित हो जाएगा, शांत हो जाएगा मामला तो जरूर।
सब पीड़ित परिवार को गेस्ट हाउस
नहीं, मैं अभी इसको इस विषय में आपको एकदम फाइनली नहीं बता सकता हूँ। ये लॉ एंड ऑर्डर का इशू, इसमें थोड़ा समय लगता है। ये मैं यहाँ पर खड़ा हूँ, जो भी बात हो रही है वो वहाँ पर डीएम साहब, एसएसपी साहब के साथ में हो रही है। वो जो भी मुझको कम्युनिकेट करेंगे मैं आपको ब्रीफ करूंगा। ठीक है सर। देखिए, विवेचना का बिंदु है, हम विवेचना कर रहे हैं। आप ये कह रहे हैं पंडित को छोड़ा गया है, हम ये कह रहे हैं कि उस पर इन्वेस्टिगेशन चल रही है। पंडित आपके नहीं, अगर वो हमारा वांटेड होता तब फरार होता।
सर, क्या अरविंद जी का भी विरोध हुआ आज गांव में जब वो गए थे तो?
नहीं, अरविंद जी एज सच का किसी व्यक्ति विशेष का कोई विरोध नहीं है। वो एक बराबर जो गांव में बराबर मूवमेंट चल रहा है, बराबर चहल पहल है, बराबर मीडिया और वीआईपीज का मूवमेंट है, उसको लेकर के वो लोग व्यथित हैं। और इस बात से भी उनकी व्यथा है कि साहब सब उनके ही घर जा रहे हैं, हमारे घर कोई नहीं आता है, न हमसे कोई हमारा हाल पूछता है। इस तरीके की उनकी बात है जिसपे उनको समझाया जा रहा है।
तो अरविंद जी गांव के अंदर नहीं गए थे सर, बाहर ही थे?
उनको गांव के प्रवेश द्वार से ही डाइवर्ट किया गया था कि जिससे वो सुरक्षित यहाँ पहुँच सके और उनके साथ कोई अभद्रता या कोई किसी तरह की सुरक्षा को खतरा न पैदा हो।
गेस्ट हाउस भी डायरेक्टली लाए गए थे, घुमा के लाए गए?
देखिए, गेस्ट हाउस तो इंतजामात सुरक्षा सबसे पहले है। अगर उनको थोड़ी इसमें असुविधा है, मैं उसके लिए क्षमा प्रार्थी हूँ।
ठीक है।